we are tracking the story. Kiren Rijiju speaks. I'm cutting across.
स्पीकर पद को लेकर के चुनाव नहीं हुआ है और जब बात किया कांग्रेस के नेता आए थे और माननीय राजनाथ सिंह जी, माननीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी और एनडीए के सारे लीडर्स हम लोग सब थे वहां। कांग्रेस के नेता ने आकर के कंडीशन लगाया कि आप डिप्टी स्पीकर पोस्ट देने से तब हम स्पीकर को समर्थन करेंगे। तो ये जो आदान प्रदान करके ये पद ये पार्टी ले लो, वो पद ये पार्टी, ऐसा स्पीकर और डिप्टी स्पीकर को
spokesman will brief you.
Sir, the TMC has not given you, the TMC's support is yet to come, sir.
All right. So here we see that the NDA seems solid and strong with all their partners supporting Om Birla, while the opposition has fielded K. Suresh. The TMC says they haven't been kept in the loop. In fact, our correspondent Amit Bharadwaj was inside the parliament there. He's going to try and get those reactions. But that's Om Birla for you on the screens. Live images coming in of Om Birla. All right, I'm told that these are images of a little earlier, but that's Om Birla, who's just filed his nomination as part of the NDA he's the NDA candidate for the NDA. He's been fielded for Speaker's post. And on the left, you see K. Suresh, MP 8 times, a Dalit face of the Congress party. He's been pushed for the Speaker's post, filing his nominations to fight against Om Birla. 11 a.m. is when the voting will take place. So very interesting face-off that we will see. An unprecedented one, undoubtedly. All right, I'm cutting across to big news coming in as the opposition MPs lash out at the NDA over Speaker's post. The Congress says, Speaker chosen unanimously, opposition gets the deputy. That's the norm. Congress says Modi made elections for Speaker mandatory. This is the Congress who's spoken. As we see the opposition MPs lash out at the NDA over Speaker's post, saying, as per norm, the Speaker is chosen unanimously while the opposition gets the Deputy Speaker's post. Modi has made this election mandatory for Speaker's post now. Let me cut across to Ashutosh. Ashutosh, what does the Congress mean? We know it's convention. Usually the Deputy Speaker's post goes to the opposition party, but that hasn't really been the norm the last 2 times at least under the Modi government.
विपक्ष के प्रमुख लोगों से बात की, लेकिन दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात यह है कि उन लोग को प्री कंडीशन लगा के, पूर्व शर्त लगा के हम सपोर्ट करेंगे ऐसे बोल रहे हैं। संसदीय प्रजाप्रभुत्व में ऐसे कभी भी हो नहीं सकता है। तो जब विषय उठाया डिप्टी स्पीकर का, तब भी माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी ने कहा कि जब उप स्पीकर का, डिप्टी स्पीकर का विषय आएगा तब हम फिर से सबसे चर्चा करेंगे, क्योंकि ये जो स्पीकर और डिप्टी स्पीकर पक्ष और विपक्ष का नहीं होता है। ये स्पीकर और डिप्टी स्पीकर होता है पूरा सदन के। बोथ दे विल बी द कस्टोडियन। स्पीकर इज द कस्टोडियन, ही इज द डिप्टी कस्टोडियन। तो इसमें एक बार चुनने के बाद पक्ष और विपक्ष नहीं होता है। तो इसलिए जब भी डिप्टी स्पीकर का चुनाव आता है, हम फिर से सब बैठेंगे, चर्चा करेंगे और निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचेंगे। ये तो जब कहने के बावजूद भी प्री कंडीशन लगा के पहली बार इन लोगों ने कॉन्टेस्ट करने जा रहे हैं। ठीक है, संख्या बल हमारे पास है ही है, लेकिन ये अच्छे परंपरा के लिए, जो संसदीय परंपरा है, ये अच्छे परंपरा के लिए खिलाफ है। तो इसलिए मैं अभी भी उन लोगों से निवेदन करता हूं, विपक्ष के सभी नेताओं से मैं निवेदन करता हूं, कृपया पुनः सोचिए, पुनः एक बार विचार कर दीजिए। आप सब लोग बैठिए, तो अच्छे एक परंपरा रखने के लिए, हेल्दी ट्रेडिशन रखने के लिए आप कृपया विथड्रॉ करिए और सर्वसम्मति से स्पीकर चुनाने के लिए आप लोग सहयोग करिए, यही मेरा प्रार्थना।
All right, I'm cutting to Ashutosh on that. Ashutosh, please give us more As we know, the NDA, of course, at this point, angry that the opposition hasn't supported them. But what do you expect? The opposition was expecting, as per norm, to be given the deputy speaker's post. But that promise hasn't come in from the government. So therefore, they've decided to fight it out for speaker's position. Is that the convention? Should that ideally be the norm, that the opposition gets the deputy speaker's position?
You know, there is something called rule and there is something called convention or the tradition. There is no specific rule that need to be followed. And everyone is saying convention or the tradition. So the tradition is always unsaid line that often if the government in majority gets the speaker, it is a convention that the opposition should be considered to giving them deputy speaker post. But the moment, you know, you heard one MP saying that they put out a condition. At the same time, it also looks from the government's perspective that they are also on a condition that support us for now. We will think about deputy speaker when it comes, whenever there will be election for the deputy speaker. Now remember, this time what you are seeing is something that there will not be a convenient opposition. Remember, a convenient opposition is just an alliance partner who is not in your alliance team. So this time the opposition, all the India bloc have decided they will not be part of convenient opposition. Often the government or, the system often says constructive opposition. Now,
No, number is not an issue. I already told. This is the government is breaking the convention of the Lok Sabha. Speaker post will be the ruling party, then deputy speaker will come to opposition. That deputy speaker is no, they are not ready to give to opposition. That's why we are contesting to speaker post.
So one more question. TMC has not signed your application. TMC sources are saying that they were not consulted on this particular issue. Are you convinced that they'll come on board?
That our leadership will talk to TMC leadership.
And you see it as a breaking of the convention because for decades no election have happened. Now you'll be fighting against Mr. Om Birla tomorrow.
Yes, because we are compelled to contest the speaker election because of the government attitude.
Thanks a lot. So that was man of the moment, K. Suresh, speaking to India Today exclusively as to what led to the conditions where the conventions are being broken. He's saying the government did not agree to the condition that the speaker's post should go to the government, deputy speaker's post to the India bloc, and he's sure that the party leadership will be able to bring TMC on board. And he's saying that it's the breaking of conventions by the government that has led him to contest in the speaker's election. With your journalist.
Okay, so opposition MPs now lashing out at the NDA over the deputy speaker's post. I'm going to cut to Ashutosh. Ashutosh, yet again, we were just speaking about what the convention really is. It's unsaid rule. You say there's no rule, but it's an understanding. And it's been tradition, as per K. Suresh, that the deputy speaker usually goes to the opposition. And he's just said it. You were just explaining to us. Go on.
You know, one word that comes in mind, that constructive opposition could not be a convenient opposition. So a government in majority with some numbers of the alliance partner cannot expect the opposition to toe the line and support on everything. This may have been the case in the past, but there have been always either consensus by the opposition during the alliance regime of the previous NDA or the UPA. And when it comes to the absolute majority like NDA 1 and NDA 2, then probably the consensus is not even required with the opposition because you have the number both in all the houses. But this time when it comes again, every time, as I say, this is all the matter of a number game. What the number strength that the treasury benches have and what the numbers with the opposition. You may lose or win the election, but putting out a fight is exactly the response by the opposition to the government. Since you do not agree on our terms, we will give you fight. Since you do not agree on our agenda, we will contest this. So now, as I said, floor management perhaps seems to be a very difficult thing that the government will be facing in a challenge for last one decade, two regime. They have been absolutely situation comfortable, but this time looks like a very turbulent water ahead for the government to sail through when it comes to floor management. There will be critical bills, there will be key agendas. Of course, they will bring the budget.
Right.
Every aspect budget, the government will have its say. But then the opposition will take it. So from street, there are certain agendas that they're waiting to take up in the parliament. And it all started from the speaker selection, you already see.